Welcome to DJ TV.
He don't say it, so they don't expose the proper plan, so we draw Labour Party cases for court. So my people, we greet you now. We welcome you to this our channel. Una no say na ogbonge updates. Now we dey come sama una like this for this our channel. So if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now go subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so at any time we be like say we drop any update like this, una go dey informed sharply. And also make una follow us on our Facebook page as see the odds. Make we quickly enter the tori wey we carry come for una. One Mrs. Beatrice Itubo, wey be Labour Party governorship candidate for Rivers State, don come out come talk and reveal the plans wey Apapa Lamidi get to withdraw all Labour Party cases across the state, and the one wey dey tribunal sef, the presidential tribunal wey dey go on so. According to wetin dis woman talk, she say Apapa no get right to do all these things so, because the party said don suspend am as national deputy chairman wey im be before, but Apapa dey find way since to force himself as national chairman so that im go fit use the power execute the plans wey im get. My people, don be small thing o. Anyway, make I leave una, make una watch and hear wetin dis woman talk or wetin she talk for this video. Make una watch the video. We dey come.
I am Comrade Mrs. Beatrice Itubo, the gubernatorial candidate of Labour Party in Rivers State. We have been informed by our lawyers that one Lamido Apapa, who claims to be acting chairman of Labour Party, has instructed some lawyers to come and withdraw our matter. The best I know about Lamido Apapa is that he used to be the deputy national chairman of Labour Party. Even before the election, prior to the election, he was suspended for anti-party activities. And I don't know where they are coming from. And then if he has problem with the party, what concerns the candidate, he will now go to court, to the tribunal. We are told before now that their aim is to come and withdraw all the matters beginning from the presidential to the House of Assembly elections. They want to withdraw all Labour Party suits in the tribunals. And so we are saying enough is enough. We have spent money to contest the election. People robbed us of our victory. And then somebody who claims to be a Labour Party member is now coming to see how he can further destroy the party, destroy the candidates. We're saying enough is enough. They should stop this rascality because it's taking them to nowhere. And we are further saying that should they continue, after this, I think we'll begin to pick them one by one and take them to proper court, because they are causing us a lot of distraction, and we don't want that distraction at this point in time. And so we are calling on our members to remain focused, that there is nothing happening. We have not withdrawn our matter. We don't intend to withdraw, and nobody is going to withdraw our matters in the court. We are going to pursue this matter to the logical conclusion there in Rivers, and we believe our presidential candidate will not be deterred, and other candidates will even in other states, because we are lively informed that that's exactly what they want to do in all the states of the federation. So we are not deterred. We are going to be focused, and we are going to reclaim our stolen mandate. Like in Rivers State, the people I saw, the lawyers are coming from Rivers State, and we have always said that the desperation of the Rivers State governor, who wants to plant his cousin or his brother, whoever, as the governor, is making him go at any length to see what he can do. So I'm suspecting that they are being paid from those quotas, because I cannot see why a normal human being who is not sponsored by anybody, who is not paid by anybody, will begin to use his or her money to begin to sponsor a matter that doesn't concern you. What injury will it cause them if we go to court? So you can see that there is something happening somewhere. There's a saying in my place that when a small child is crying and pointing to one particular direction, is that the mother or the food of that baby is in that place? So something is beating the drum for them, and they are dancing to the gallery. But then, of course, God will shame them at the end of the day. Well, the senatorial candidate has argued this matter. We have also come to our national secretariat. They have given us further instructions on what to do. And so we believe that the lawyers will file their matters. And apart from that, we're also calling on the judges to do the needful. The tribunal is called Election Tribunal, not Party Dispute Tribunal. So if there is a party dispute, their internal party dispute, they should challenge to the appropriate quarters. They should not come to want to withdraw cases of candidates and then the party. The party is behind us, and we are moving forward. We have instruction of the party, and nobody has withdrawn that instruction.
Now wow, which kind thing be this now? Now hear wetin this woman talk o. Former national deputy chairman suspended though, planning to come remove case, sorry, come withdraw case for court. Man, people get as e be o. No wonder they say the man dey find, so one dey force himself to become a national chairman. Anyway, people gonna jump in a comment out of this own matter, and make una no forget to like and share this video. Now do well. See you all in our next video. Bye. DJ LP. DJ LP.